Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to unarchive chats on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. As you can see, we have archived few chats on Telegram app. To unarchive these chats, tap on the archive folder. Tap and hold the chat to select. Now tap on the chats you wish to unarchive. After making the selection, click the three dot icon at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Unarchive. That's it. Selected chats has been unarchived. This is how you can unarchive chats on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.